Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WordPress SEO meta with Rank Math easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your WordPress SEO meta with Rank Math, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Rank Math menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Status and Tools option. In the Status and Tools section, look for the Backup tab. Click on the Backup tab to access the backup options. You will see a Create Backup button. Click on that button to start the backup process. Rank Math will now create a backup of your SEO settings. Once the backup is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You will also have access to previous backups in the same section. To download the backup, click on the download link next to the backup file. Choose a safe location on your computer to save the backup file. Ensure that the backup file is named appropriately for easy identification. For additional security, consider uploading the backup to a cloud storage service. This ensures that your SEO metadata is safe and easily retrievable. If you ever need to restore the backup, return to the Backup tab. Click on the Restore button next to the backup you wish to use. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. This will revert your SEO settings to the state they were in during the backup. Regularly backing up your SEO settings can save you time and effort in the future. With these simple steps, you can maintain peace of mind regarding your WordPress SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.